Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a little minute. I'm sorry, but I am back and I will be showing you guys how I achieved this beautiful purple color using temporary color wax from ORS. This is the container that it came in. I actually got it in a curl box that I received for October, and the color is in dragon fruit. As you'll see, it's like a dark pink color, but on my dark hair it comes out looking purple, and it's so pretty. It came with the gloves, and it says to use gloves, so if you do buy this and it does not come with gloves, definitely use gloves. Here I am sectioning off my hair, and the stuff smells so good. It doesn't smell like dragon fruit. It has like this perfume scent. It smells so good. So here I am spraying my hair with just regular room temperature water, and I just used a tiny bit at first, but I did end up building it up just a tad bit. I wanted to go for like a more natural look. I mean, how natural can you get with purple color? But I did not want it to be too bright, since I was gonna have to go to work with this color, and if I didn't like it, I did not want this bright pink hair. So here I am doing the rest of my hair. I won't talk too much because it's pretty self-explanatory. You use as much or as little as you want, depending on the look that you're going for. Obviously, if you want a more bright look, you use a lot more. If you want a more toned down look, you don't use as much, like I didn't. And you'll see at the end how much I'm left with. I have plenty left. I'm sure if when I use this again, I'll have at least 3, 4, 5 applications left in this container. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. What color should I try next? And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.